This is not your standard coloring book. This is a unique coloring book that combines coloring but also story writing. So let's just jump in and see what makes it so unique. So we have the big monster scenes that come along with story prompts so your kid can build up a fun story for each scene. And then we have the build a story that uses different items in boxes, and using the prompt that's available, you can make up your own story. It's very random as to how you can combine everything. If you need a little bit of help, we have the book icon at the top, which means that there is a ready story at the back. And this is just to help kids get a little bit inspired or think of different ways on how they can incorporate or tell a story about that picture. Also, to add another extra challenge, we have the wild items box where you can randomly choose one of 20 items that are there in the bag, and you have to incorporate it into your stories. If you want, you can come up with your own item, but it really brings up the challenge for kids, and they have a lot of fun making up different stories. We also have like a create your own monster. You can draw your own monster, but we have included some cutout parts at the end, and you can just use them to create your own little monster. I'll just quickly show you what my daughter has done with them. So look, she had cut out some eyes and a mouth, and she created her own little story about this monster. Another fun thing, we have like a comic strip at the back, so you'll follow that monster throughout the day and just write up its story and what happens. To help with all the story writing, we have some common words and phrases for your kids to use to really help them build up their stories and their vocabulary. Another thing that we added was we have some secret connections between pictures and stories. So you'll find some little hints, and it's for your kid to really create a unique story and a sequel.